Yes, look at
It's a
someone.
match between Anai Okii and Anai Bung.
Good pass, wonderful.
We are still in the playground of COTN.
A good pass, a good pass. Anai Okii, Anai Okii. A good pass.
Anai Bung with the ball again. Anai Okii the whites. Anai Bung the reds.
All the corners. Aha.
It's a match between Anai Okii and Anai Bung. It's a match between Anai Okii and Anai Bung. Under Kakoge Assembly Yahweh Pentecostal Mission. We are still in the playground of COTN, located in the heart of Lira City.
Wonderful, Anai Okii. Anai Okii the ball. Well.
Anai Okii versus Anai Bung. Anai Okii the whites and Anai Bung the reds.
That is throw in. Throw in, Anai Okii.
It's a throw in for Anai Okii. Anai Okii the whites and Anai Bung the reds.
First goal. Who scored is 5,000.
It's still 0-0 for information.
Well.
Anai Bung with the ball.
Well, Anai Okii.
And now Anai Bung again with the ball.
Wonderful. Anai Bung. Anai Bung with the ball, like King.
Anai Okii with the ball, the white.
Anai Okii.
Anai Okii the white with the ball.
Anai Okii with the ball.
Anai Okii the whites with the ball.
Good pass.
The whites.
Well, yes. A good pass.
Anai Bung again is having the ball.
That is a goal kick.
Wow, it's a goal kick. It's a goal kick for Anai Bung. Remember that it's still a heated match between Anai Okii and Anai Bung and Kakoge Assembly Yahweh Pentecostal Mission. We are in the playground of COTN Secondary School, Lira City.
That is throw in. Anai Bung.
It's a throw in for Anai Bung.
Mr. Fred. A good one. Again, throw in.
It's a throw in again.
Hope we go through up to the goal. That is corner kick.
It's a corner kick.
Anai Bung to Anai Okii.
It's a corner kick. Anai Bung is just going to play the corner kick.
Good one.
Wow, he has made a good one. Anai Okii the whites with the ball.
La win ball. Pele style. Good shot.
Wow, he has given a good shot. It's a goal kick for Anai Bung.
Wonderful.
Anai Bung the reds versus Anai Okii the whites.
Now,
Anai Okii with the ball. Anai Okii with the ball.
goalkeeper to take it.
It's a goal kick.
A good shot. Anai Bung to Anai Okii. One hour good header.
Remember that it's Anai Bung versus Anai Okii.
Look at someone that could take it through.
Under Kakoge Assembly, Yahweh Pentecostal Mission.
Aha. Anai Okii.
Anai Okii the whites.
That's it, 40.
Anai Okii the whites. Anai Okii the whites with the ball.
Goalkeeper take it.
Kipa kori pekar kwenu mtuta bishikoma. Offside. Nena jongol need sound of city.